Getting free Bitcoins. Free Bitcoins are out there. As I've mentioned before, there are numerous sources out there that offer free Bitcoins. Most of them will require your time to do something in return, such as clicking or viewing ads, or work for it and much more. Let us take a look at some of them. Where to find them? Work for Bitcoin offers you the opportunity to search job listings as well as post them. The majority of the work here involves programming. Work in other fields is also available, so you can always find something that you're good at and that interests you. Bitask.com. Bitcoin Talk Forum Services section is another viable place to search for jobs that help you earn Bitcoins. Many of the jobs here can be done within a short span of time, and hence you can earn your digital currencies swiftly. Bitcointalk.org. Jobs for Bitcoins on Reddit concentrates on dishing out job listings mainly for programmers, but here you are capable of searching jobs in other fields as well. Reddit.com/r/jobs4bitcoins. Another online job board that comes with a range of job offers is BitGigs. Check out the variety of jobs available. bitgigs.com. Coinality is another job site that deals in cryptocurrencies. However, unlike other such portals, it follows the innovative approach of listing the jobs as well as displaying them over a map. Coinality.com.
Thanks for watching the last chapter of Bitcoin Gold Rush. We know that there is a lot to learn when it comes to the crypto markets. But there is a totally automated way to earn crypto profits with a secret strategy that works fast and profits consistently, whether the market is up or down. Register at the link above for a free online Bitcoin workshop and receive $10 in Bitcoin just for watching and participating. During this free live workshop, we're going to reveal how to use our proven software solution to quickly launch a crypto profit machine in 2024 that makes money every day and runs on total autopilot. How this system makes money whether crypto is going up or down, so you can enjoy consistent, predictable profits without any stress or worry. Multiple examples of real campaigns that run silently in the background 24 hours a day and are banking up to $4,000 per week in profit. The secret technology that makes this all possible and how you can get your first profitable campaign up and running in 60 minutes or less. A behind-the-scenes look at our latest campaign, which generated $8,900 in the first 2 weeks and is on track to make over $100,000 this year completely hands-free. Mind-blowing success stories from our most successful students who have used this method to launch life-changing passive income streams. Why anyone can and should do this. You don't need any previous experience or know anything about crypto investing or trading. Plus, all new reveal of our new premium trade alerts with an 84% win rate. Earlier this year, you could have turned $500 into $39,000 just picking tens of our alerts randomly. Register at the link above and see you there. It will change your life.